Hello, so this is just a simple introduction to getting going with Power BI using the web interface. So here's the Outlook, the web interface, the email. If you click on these buttons here, you get some additional apps like OneDrive, Word, Teams. Click on more apps. It opens up a new page. So here are the standard applications, PowerPoint, Teams. Then if you click on down here, you get Power BI. Takes a little while to get going. So this starts up a Power BI web application. Okay, so we said last time the Power BI is based on reports. Click on reports. For this example, we're going to click on get data. So we're pulling data from a CSV file. So there's different options. Click on load a file. Click on browse. Here we're going to do this Big Mac example. And click on next. And we can see that the data from the CSV file is being loaded in. Click on next again. So here we're in the Power Query interface, where we can manipulate the data a little bit, clean it up if needed, or select. And we're going to create a report. Here's our name. For the actual interface to the actual PC application is similar to this, but obviously it doesn't run in the browser. Okay, so now we're in, we have loaded in the data, and in later tutorials I'll show you how to build in visuals.